Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about healthy lifestyle and fitness, which could help me to take this new turn in my life. I have a good news for you. And the good news is I am one of the finalists of Mrs. Maharashtra 2021. Yes, it's Diadem Mrs. Maharashtra 2021. I am one of the finalists out of those 40 finalists. So yes, I am very happy and very excited. My happiness has literally no bound. I always had a dream to become a pageant in my college days, but honestly, time and the other responsibility didn't permit me. I did my bachelor's in engineering. After that, I went up in corporate office to do my IT job, almost last 11, 12 years. And then marriage and kids, all these things took place. I have heard of this Mrs. Maharashtra long back, and I thought of just give it a try, just just find it out. So in my next video, I'm going to talk to you about how did I find it out and how did I apply for this Diadem Mrs. Maharashtra. Diadem has given me this opportunity, so I literally thank them a lot because of them I'm here right now. They have selected me. So how my auditions went on, and then how did I get selected, everything I'm going to share with you. And even the main event is going to happen in August, so till then whatever I'm doing towards to achieve that goal, I'm going to share everything throughout this whole playlist. So do support me, guys. Without your support, I'm just nothing. So just one thing I want to mention before I end up with this video, that 10 years before, when I had the same dream to become a pageant, I think that time the goal was a little different. The goal was like glamorous life, then ramp walk, everything was just fascinating. But this time, I think after 10 years, when I am trying for this Mrs. Maharashtra or any pageant, I feel like I am little more responsible now because of the whole family I'm looking towards now, and whole family I'm taking care right now. And with age, I think you get that maturity. So to understand it better, you need a maturity, and I think with this is a perfect age, I believe, for me at least. To be in pageant and to take that responsibility, because it is not just to get that crown, but it is also to accept those responsibilities that come along with that crown. So yes, I'm really looking forward to this, and really very happy. This whole journey would be very exciting. I'm 100% sure. End result no one knows, but I'm very happy, and I'm happy to be a part of it. So thanks to Diadem, and thanks to every one of you who always encourage me to take this, to take this step. My friends and my families, every one of them. So alright, then see you in the next video. I'm going to share with you about my how did I apply, or how did I register for this. So stay tuned, guys, and do hit the like button, and do subscribe to this channel if you think this video was helpful to you. Alright, bye.